Want to know the secret to turning quick profits with binary options? Guys, watch this video till the end to figure it out, and click on the bell button so you not miss any of my videos. Let's get into it. So I have already analyzed and selected all currency pairs with the most optimal movement pattern and payout percentage, and I concluded that today's best trading strategy involves searching for extreme points, guys. And for this I selected two channel indicators, specifically the Donjin channel. The first indicator has a period of 10 and the second has a period of 20, and we will focus on the touch points of the upper and lower moving lines of these indicators. In addition, I combine them with the fractal and CCI oscillator with a period of 15, guys. So yeah, there shouldn't be any confusion, as I will explain each trade in detail. I guess let's start with the $700 trade and select the first currency pairs. But first, guys, if you didn't know, I also do live streams now where we dive deep into binary options trading, and by the end of the video you can go and check my live streams. So click in the link in the description and start earning with me today. Don't miss out. Skipping the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, big mistake. Dive into binary options with expert tips, strategies and live analysis. Join now for smarter trades. So here we see the good entry point. So we're opening a trade here not based on the formation of the new extreme point, but because the trend is upward. And I think the dynamics may continue to rise, so why not? So at this point the lower moving line of the channel indicators touches, so forming a local minimum and a new extreme point. Additionally, I see an exit from the oversold area here according to the oscillator, so therefore we open a trade in continuation of the trend. So let's see. Well, guys, unfortunately the first trade closes in the negative. I think it's possible that the trend dynamics may be shifted here, forming just a local maximum. However, the signal wasn't entirely accurate, so the trade closed at loss. But that's okay, let's move on. Yeah, let's open again another $700 trade and select the next currency pair. Well, let's try to open a long trade here. I initially wanted to open a trade earlier, but I missed the timing, so we'll open it here. It's not a bad touch point, so after the formation of a new extreme point, the trend dynamics don't have an obvious direction. For the most part, the price is stagnant, so moving between the resistance and support areas. Nevertheless, a new extreme point has formed here, with the two moving lines of the channel indicators touching, creating a local minimum. So this is the first sign to open a long trade here. So additionally, there is an exit from the oversold area on the oscillator, and therefore we decided to open a long trade here. Let's wait for the outcome. Last seconds. And yes, the trade closes in the positive, guys. Great. So let's change the trade amount to 1,000 now. So yeah, as you can see, applying this strategy isn't very difficult. You just need to understand the trend and navigate the indicators correctly. Guys, trading was tough when I began. Lots of errors, lots of losses, but I've compiled a guide with all crucial tips I wish I had back then. It's free, guys, covering risk management, smart money use and trading psychology with examples and easy steps. Don't miss out, message me on Telegram for the book now, the link in the description. And we'll most likely open a short trade here, guys. I think a small pullback should be forming now. A certain extreme point is also being formed here, which is why I need the Donjin channel, guys, with a period of 10, as it can show additional touch points, as it happened here. The trend dynamics are mostly downward, so there has been a price pullback, a new point has formed, and I think small pullback should occur within a minute or two. So therefore the trade was open for short here. So let's see the result. About 10 seconds left, and there we go. The trade closes in the positive. That's awesome. You see, even with such movement dynamics, it's possible to open a trade. So yeah, the key is to correctly navigate the trend, and it's better in such cases to open a trade in the direction of the trend, because there is no intersection of the moving line along the oscillator. Yeah, it can be quite risky. So nevertheless, the trade was closed in the positive. Now we'll open 2 trades worth $2,000 and aim for a good profit. So yeah, let's continue and select the next currency pair. So we can open 2 trades here for long. After the formation of a new extreme point, the opening level isn't entirely favorable. So 2 trades open at different price levels. Yeah, 1 trade might close in the negative. However, there is a good touch point here. The dynamics are ascending, and the 2 lower moving lines of the channel indicators are touched. And I'm also observing a reversal from the oversold area according to the CCI oscillator. And I hope the upward dynamic will continue in the next few seconds, and the trades will close in the positive. But anyway, let's see in the last seconds. Yes, the trades close in the positive, guys. Great profit for today. So the trading session turned out to be quite simple, I would say. 1 trade was closed in the negative, but that's okay. We made a good recovery, and I'm happy with the result. And today's profit amounts to approximately $2,400. And yes, the withdrawal operation is successfully completed, guys. So hit the like button, leave your comments down below, and let's move to the second trading session. If you're unsure about setting up the indicators, or you're just starting out in the trading and finding yourself losing money, it's time to join my free trading team. Every day I trade with my subscribers and share all my trading signals. You can replicate them manually or automatically by connecting to my trading account, which is very convenient for everyone. I will address all your questions, help you get started, and provide instructions on how to earn from $20 to $500 daily. Click the link in the description now to join my Telegram channel and message me "Let's do this." I'll then give you instruction on how to begin. It's absolutely free, but spots are limited, so message me now to seize this opportunity. You can also view the results of my trades and income of my traders in my Telegram channel. Please remember, I don't sell anything without writing first. I don't respond to YouTube comments and never take money from my subscribers. If you see otherwise, it's a fake or scammer. Be cautious. My contacts are only in the video description. Message me now. So guys, let's start our second trading session. We are at the broker platform. So today I'm analyzing this selection of indicators, which is CCI with a period of 10, alligator, and fractal. The alligator and fractal are trend indicators, and they will leave them at their default settings. We'll monitor the oversold and overbought areas with the CCI oscillator helping us. Yeah, and we'll open trades for $500. And I guess let's get started, see what awaits us today, and select our first currency pair. And here I want to open a long trade, and here's why. First, let's select the workspace. Yes, and we immediately found a good entry point, and I'm guided by the CCI oscillator. We see an exit from the oversold area with the moving average trending upward. According to the fractal, we see an update of the global price minimum for this movement section, and the price is rising. So here we see the upcoming intersection of our moving average on the alligator indicator. Yeah, when there is an intersection from bottom to top, I typically open trade for long. So let's see. Let's wait for the outcome. And there we go. Our first trade closes in the positive, guys. As you can see, the moving averages are intersecting now, and an additional local minimum was updated and the trade was opened correctly. Let's move on and select the next currency pair. Well, here we'll open a long trade. Despite the CCI oscillator indicating an exit from the overbought area, we can't rely on this in this case. So we're focusing more on the trend, particularly the intersection of the moving averages on the alligator indicator. And we see that the movement had a downward trend, and then updating local minimum indicates that the movement dynamics are reversing, entering a recovery stage, let's say, and moving upward. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, so a bit unlucky here. At the very last second, the price rolled back and the candle gave an impulse downward. So I should have paid more attention to the oscillator. Yeah, so I guess let's be more careful in the following trades. But that's fine. Let's pick up the next currency pair and open the next trade. And here we'll be guided by our oscillator. So let's open a long trade. I believe a new global price minimum has appeared. So we're opening a long trade here. And we saw a very strong downward movement, guys, which the alligator also indicated, but I'm waiting for a small pullback upward. The further movement might also trend downward, but I'm only counting on a brief pullback, and I want to capitalize on this pullback since I see an exit from the oversold area according to our CCI oscillator. And the pullback occurred, as you can see, and the third trade closes in the positive. Awesome. Yeah, let's change the trade amount to 1,000 and open, I guess, the last trade for today. Yeah, the trade was open against the trend, so yeah, let's proceed and select the final currency pair. Well, here let's open a long trade. I see trend change and the intersection of the moving average on the alligator indicator, so let's highlight the workspace. The trade was open at not very favorable level, but I believe the upward trend should continue. Well, here we saw the intersection of the alligator's moving average from top to bottom, along with a good price pullback. Therefore, guys, we open a long trade in the direction of this upward trend. Simple as that. Yeah, let's see the result. Yes, the trade closes in the positive, guys. Perfect. Just perfect, yeah. I'm happy with the result. So let's move on to withdrawal and lock in the profit. Let's choose a wallet. And the amount will be 1,200. So yeah, that's the kind of trading we had today using these indicators, guys. So if you find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join my Telegram channel for more trading strategies and daily tips, guys. And don't forget about my live stream. So the links you will find in the description under this video. Yeah, as always, good luck in trading and bye bye. See you soon.